Hey guys, Tony here. So after doing my TA, I basically thought that we were gonna be moving up to 60 bucks. I went ahead and bought one call, $153 call for like 300 something bucks. Currently up 24%. I think if it hit $60, I actually should have bought two to kind of play my strategy. If it were to hit 60 bucks, I would have cashed out and I would have let the other one ride for the rest of the day. So that was kind of my fault. As of right now, I will be letting it ride out. I think if it does hit $60, more than likely I will be cashing out of this option. But I might actually let this ride a little bit longer, just because if we do break 60 bucks, there's a strong chance that we might keep going up towards the upside. But again, I have to look at the bull push to actually see how big of a bull momentum AMC actually takes to the upside. So we'll see what's going on. I fucking hate this ticker, man. I fucking hate AMC. You guys already know that. Hate this thing. I don't want to say I rarely lose money, but if there's a guarantee that I'm gonna lose money, it's probably gonna be with AMC. So we'll see how this plays out.